In this video, we will demonstrate how to make an online lesson booking from a member's perspective. The first step to making our lesson booking is to select a date. As we can see right now, our instructors are not available for today. So we're going to pick our date dropdown, choose an alternative date, and this will indicate that our instructors are now available. From here, there's two different options on picking your service and your instructor. You can start by using the service dropdown and selecting your service first, or if you have a preference on your instructor, go ahead and click on their name, and then you can go ahead and pick your service. So we're going to go ahead and use our 30-minute personal training. This will then take you over to a calendar view where if we like, we can go ahead and change our provider as well as that service. From here, if we scroll down, when we hover over the white space, this will indicate that the time is available to book. So all we have to do is click to book. This will open up our Create Booking window where we have all the booking details at the top. As the booking owner, our name will already be populated in the number 1 spot. On the top right hand corner of the screen, it will indicate if there is a minimum and or a maximum number of registrants. To add registrants, we can go ahead and choose the member option, and all we have to do is type their name in here and select them to add them to our booking. If we do have the option of adding guests, we can also switch to guests, where we can type in their first and last name, and email address is optional. So let's put our guest here. If we do have a max number of registrants for our lesson, you'll notice that we will get a message that we've reached that max number of registrants, so we are no longer able to add anyone else into our booking. At the very bottom of the screen, we also have a notes section. This is a great place for you to leave any information that you'd like the instructor to know prior to your lesson. Also note, at the very top of the window, we do have a countdown. So what is happening is it is holding this lesson time for you, meaning no one else can come in and book this online or at the club. Once you're good to go with your booking, we're going to go ahead and click Book Now. That will then open up our booking confirmation screen, which will show us the details of our booking, as well as who's part of our booking. If the club has enabled email notifications, you will also receive an email confirmation. Let's close out of here. Now that we've made that booking, ourselves as well as the instructor will be able to see the booking within the calendar. If we scroll up, we also have a My Bookings tab. The My Bookings tab is going to show us any of our same day or upcoming lessons. We do have the option of canceling that lesson, however we have no option of editing. So if you do need to edit a lesson, it is suggested to cancel your booking and remake your booking.